Hello everyone, how's your day going? I wanted to showcase the progress I've made on this project. One of the things is basic colliders, so you see how this player isn't falling into the void because of this plane. Hypothetically, if we made height elevations on this plane, it should be able to climb up and down smoothly. Another thing, as you've seen, is player movement, so you click anywhere on the plane and it follows you. And if you click anywhere off the plane, it doesn't recognize it. And the last thing is you can notice how, well, it's a bit hard to see, there's a small eye visor here, so you can see where the player is moving towards, and it rotates correctly. So later when we put in assets and animations, you should be able to see someone rotating and running towards a specific point. Anyways, that's it for today. Thanks for listening.